Welcome to the AWS and Hugging Face partnership, where the two companies are working together to provide AI developers with the ultimate development environment. With their new AI chip Trainium, AWS is hoping to increase the efficiency of AI workloads and make them more accessible to a larger audience of developers. At the helm of the initiative is Hugging Face CEO Clem DeLange, who believes that open source AI model Bloom can significantly reduce training times, saving developers time and money. AWS also has a large AI model to its credit, making Amazon search smarter and more effective than it was before. This partnership is the latest sign that big tech is embracing AI and the numerous potential benefits it can bring. AWS and Hugging Face together hope to provide new opportunities to those who want to learn and experiment with AI, and make AI products more available to people around the world. Not interested in AI but in need of some new hardware? Then check out our list of the best workstations. Or, if you're looking to find out more AI-related news, then be sure to sign up to our Tech Radar Pro newsletter. Here you can keep up to date on all the top news, opinion, features and guidance surrounding AI technology and its development to better our lives. For Tech Radar Pro, this has been Craig, and thank you for watching.